If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
What the monthly cycle is, what ovulation is, and how can one boost their chances of getting pregnant.
Monthly cycle and ovulation is something we need to understand before we think of pregnancy. So to calculate when you ovulate, you need to understand how your monthly cycle goes. It's very simple. The first day of your monthly cycle starts from the first day of your period, and it goes on till the first day of your next period. That's your whole monthly cycle. And to calculate when you ovulate, it generally happens somewhere around the 14th day. So that's around the second week. So when we tell patients about how to understand when they ovulate, it's between the 10th to the 20th day of the cycle.
If today is the 1st of April and I get my period, this is the first day of my period. I know that I got my last period on the 4th of March. To calculate your menstrual cycle, count the number of days from the first day of your period to the first day of your last period. And so, the average length of my monthly cycle is 28 days. But if you're not sure about your average length, or if your cycle is irregular, take the average of your last 3 cycles.
Ovulation is when the ovaries release an egg. We have a certain number of eggs which we are gifted with when we are born. So this fixed amount is the one which we have, the reserve, that's the ovarian reserve. And every cycle, one egg is being released from our ovaries. The whole idea of releasing one egg every cycle is so that if the sperm is ready and the fertilization occurs, the woman gets pregnant.
If one is trying to get pregnant, how would they know for a fact that they are ovulating?
That's what ovulation kits are all about.
Right. Okay.
They are going to help us precisely. Till now, ovulation kits were not there.
Right.
And it was very difficult. So
Right.
we used to randomly ask them to work between the 10th and the 20th day.
Right.
But ovulation kits have made our lives very simple.
Dr. Bella, thank you so much for coming today. We'll see you next time, and until then, stay tuned and stay glamorous.